Because it's much better to spend the autumn of our lives making walking sticks and learning Coldplay chords than sitting on an Inconti chair waiting to see who takes over from Holly Willoughby. Holly quit the show earlier this month in what was a difficult decision made for her and her family. For most of her time on the program, she presented alongside Philip Schofield, who left in May. Since her departure, many big names have been thrown into the mix to replace her Monday to Thursday role, including Josie Gibson, Alison Hammond, Storm Huntley, Ruth Langsford, Ben Shepherd and Kate Garraway. Former presenter Ruth, who fronted the show with her husband Eamon Holmes, addressed returning to the show full-time. Jeremy Clarkson took a swipe at Holly Willoughby's this morning departure as he issued his opinion on schools in his latest column. The Grand Tour star claims school didn't prepare kids for adult life after a recent poll stated that more than half of adults would be keen on learning a new language. As he gave his say, the 63-year-old couldn't resist taking a swipe at the show's former star presenter Holly, who quit the show earlier this month after 14 years. In his column for The Sun, Jeremy wrote, "Ever since the beginning of civilization, we've had it in our heads that school is what's needed to prepare kids for life. But today, surely, we can see it does no such thing. And that it should be used to prepare older people for their ret. Speaking to Woman and Home magazine, she said, "I laughed when I saw that report. I have no idea where these things come from. If ITV said, 'Would you come and do a week on this morning?' and if I was free and it was with the right person, I probably would do it." Storm has also responded to her name being in the mix to replace Holly on Instagram last week. In response to a follower, she wrote, "Very flattering, but I think there may be a scheduling issue there." Ironment. In a statement addressing her this morning departure, he said Holly remained a much-loved member of the ITV family and that he looked forward to working with her in the future.